Welcome to the Gaming Ellipse, and today I have a Despicable Me Despicable Me Playdoh Set. It is ages 3 and up, and it comes with 4 different Play-Dohs: orange, blue, yellow, and purple. And now, if you're looking on YouTube to find out how to put it together, once you get out of this box, you want a gray pedestal and a blue piece. And now there is edges on the blue piece like this. And there's edges in the corner like this. So you want to take the blue piece like this and put it in those edges. Now, to use the minion things, you want to put the chair on with the hole like that. Now you want to pick your favorite Play-Doh. And you want to pick your minion. And I'm only going to put a little bit of Play-Doh in mine. You want to make sure it's in there tight so it will come out of the head. And so now you want to put it on the blue piece. You want to look, and then you want to push. Now I think I didn't put enough. Oh, I better snapped it out of place. Uh-oh, I lost half of my. I'm going to add more Play-Doh. Listen to learn from. Add more Play-Doh into the minion. Now you want to take it, put it in there tight, maybe pat that down a little, and lift this up. Then you want to push. And now you got some wacky minion hair. Let's say maybe you don't like it. So maybe you attempt to comb it, maybe pat it down a little, or maybe just cut it all off, just like this. I don't know, it depends if you like the hairdo or not. So you just cut it all off maybe. Depends what you want to do with your set. You want to make sure all his hair is grown out of him. But now I'm going to put all of his hair back in the case. And now that I have all of the blue Play-Doh out of the minion's head, I put it back in its case. I'm now going to put the lid back on the blue. And I'm going to show you something else. Take this orange off thing, pull it out. Now you can add maybe some clothes to your minion. Other things. Because there's little edges right here that you can put stuff in. So maybe I want a yellow skirt for my purple minion. I will get the yellow Play-Doh out and add some yellow Play-Doh where the skirt is in the pedestal. I'm going to rub it gently, make sure it's all in until the rest of my Play-Doh kind of breaks off. And this is where the scissors come in handy, kind of. Play-Doh is kind of sticky, that means it's hard to get it in these little things. Just pile it all in there. And there, pat it down a little. And then you want to rip all the extra Play-Doh off and around the edges. I'm going to gently pat it in there, make sure it's all in there. Cut off any extras I want. And then cut off all the extra excess. And then I carefully pull out a skirt for my minion. And now I have my minion. And I'm going to put a little dress on him. No, it's a skirt. This is distress skirt because mermaids. Yes, mermaids. And then I'm going to put the skirt on them. Like this. I'm going to gently pat it on there. There, now I got a skirt on my minion. Now maybe I want a matching dress with it. No, a matching broom with it. So I take more yellow Play-Doh. Or maybe I want a yellow handle and a orange bristles. So I will take the yellow Play-Doh. Add it on there. Make sure only that part is filled with yellow. I'm going to pile that in that spot. And I'm going to pile that in that spot. Just like that. And I'm going to take some orange. Now, if you don't want to mix your Play-Doh, I kind of wouldn't do this, but I can easily get Play-Doh. And now I'm going to fill this part up with orange. Now I'm going to pat it all down. I'm going to pat it all down. Sorry about that. And I patted it all down into a circle. Take anything that's sticking out of the circle off first. Put it back into the Play-Doh containers where each color belongs. Then I kind of do that again. Now I gently take all the Play-Doh out. And now I got a broom. Now I'm going to gently take all the excess Play-Doh off the broom because that would be easier. So now I'm going to pull it off, and I kind of ruined the top part. I'm going to round it a bit better. And there you go. I got a broom for my minion. I'm going to put it on the side of him. And there we go. Got a broom on the side of my minion. There. Now my broom can stick anywhere on the side of him. Like that. You know, pretend sweet. Put this all away. Put the lids on the containers. And then I'm going to keep the skirt on it. And now I want a hairdo. I'm going to give it purple hair just like the movie. Now that I put the Play-Doh on my minion, I'm going to repeat the steps I did earlier. And now I'm going to put it down. There we go. One more time. There we go. Skirt kind of fell off. We'll fix that. Alright, now that we got a crazy minion, please like, subscribe, and comment what kind of videos you want next. Thank you for watching.